Creating a drought-tolerant lawn requires a few important steps. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what those steps are so that you can have a lawn that's more resilient while using a lot less water. And a quick shout out to Exmark, the makers of professional mowing equipment, for sponsoring this video. The first step in preparing for a more drought-tolerant lawn is to make the soil more conducive to deeper root growth. And the first thing you need to do there is rake away all the dead plant debris and grass, that's known as thatch, so that you have a better opportunity for the water to infiltrate into the soil and also to create more openings for that air circulation. And a good tool for that is a good stiff rake. Next, rent a core aerator. An aerator removes soil cores or plugs from the ground and allows air, water, organic matter, and nutrients into the newly opened space, while also relieving soil compaction and promoting greater root expansion. You can rent a core aerator at any equipment rental company. Next, you need to put your lawn on a healthy diet by feeding the soil with compost, manure, other organic matter such as grass clippings, and supplement 2 or 3 times a year with a non-burning, slow-release, nitrogen-based fertilizer. Nitrogen is the primary nutrient lawns need for vigorous growth above and below ground. And ongoing, return grass clippings back to the soil surface in a process known as grass cycling. That's when the clippings are mulched in place by the mower blade so you don't have to bag them. It's an effortless way to keep nitrogen-rich organic matter going back into the soil to improve it every time you mow. And when you do mow, cut at the high end of your type of grass's preferred range. Taller shoots mean deeper roots, and of course, deeper roots will be in a better place to find moisture farther into the soil. Another very important step to encourage deeper roots is to water infrequently, but for longer durations when you do. And that's true for lawns as well as your landscape beds, raised beds, and containers. That will allow water to soak deeper into the soil and more likely to be there in the absence of rain and drier conditions above ground. And finally, keep up the maintenance during the active growing period, because developing and maintaining a drought-tolerant lawn isn't just a one-time thing. You need to develop a mindset of periodically adding back organic matter like compost and aged manure, and even nitrogen-based fertilizer periodically. And one more thing, when you do water, don't be so quick to water so often, because a little tough love will serve you and your lawn very well, especially in times of drought. Thanks for watching today's video, and be sure to click on the link below so that you can access Exmark's Backyard Life website, where you can watch more videos with me, as well as other useful rural lifestyle, outdoor living and cooking, and lawn and garden content.